Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to automate your Discord server tasks using bots and scripts. Yeah, if you want your server to run smoothly without constantly doing repetitive actions manually, automation is key because, honestly, it saves a ton of time and keeps your community organized. So first, identify which tasks you want to automate. Uh, Common examples are welcoming new members, assigning roles, moderating messages, posting announcements, or logging activity, because knowing exactly what to automate helps you choose the right tools. Next, choose trusted bots that support automation. Yeah, bots like MEE6, Dyno, Wick, or Carlbot can handle moderation, leveling, announcements, and more with simple setup commands. After that, learn basic scripting if you want advanced automation. Using JavaScript, Python, or Node.js with Discord libraries lets you create custom scripts to handle unique tasks that bots alone can't manage. Also, you configure triggers and schedules. Yeah, you can set bots to act when certain events happen, like someone joining or sending a message, or schedule automated posts and reminders at specific times. And yeah, monitor and test your automation carefully. So make sure bots aren't overstepping permissions or spamming channels, and adjust rules for smooth operation. Finally, regularly update your bots and scripts. Most of the time, combining off-the-shelf bots with custom scripts ensures your server runs efficiently, professionally, and almost hands-free. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.